What's going on, guys? Another beautiful day in Southwest Florida. We are working on this beautiful 21 HydraSport. Got a couple of things going on here. Obviously, you guys can see a bit of oxidation. All right, we're going to be repairing that, restoring that as best as we can with what's given, and we are going to work our way around the boat as well. We've got this bottom job that we're going to be approaching as well. We're going to be power washing it, scrubbing it, sanding it, and throwing on another layer of bottom paint. All right, so we've got a bit of work right now that we got on our hands, so come on an adventure. You got it?